I've had this planer for about 15 years, and it has served me well during that time. That is until last weekend, when this happened. That would be the belt from the motor to the blade that just went kaput. So I'm needing to replace that belt. I did an Amazon search to find the new belt that I needed, and I learned for a few extra dollars I could actually get the belt pre-installed. It was awesome. Here, let's check it out. Oh, that's not where that's supposed to go. Let's try that again. Whew, okay, that's better. So, okay, it was a few extra bucks. I mean, like a lot of extra bucks. But I figured after 15 years of service that old one, it was time to upgrade. So, here's the new one. Hey fellow makers, welcome back to the shop. I'm Michael, and this is Make Your Play. This video, I'm going to walk you through unboxing and setting up this DeWalt planer. I'm excited to get this new tool in the shop and give it a try. So let's see what's inside here. Whew. That is heavy. These are spring loaded, so if you press those in, and press like that. That's pretty easy and pretty awesome. And we definitely need to adjust. So here, if we see this gap, that means we need to adjust it. I don't normally read instruction manuals. I'll glance at them, get the overall gist of it, and then just start using the tool. But I figure I'll thumb through this one just to make sure there's no obvious things that I'm not aware of on using this planer, so that I don't make any mistakes and mess it up right off the bat. Okay, let's cut a board, see how this thing works. Yeah, let's get cutting. Put on some safety glasses and put on some hearing protection because I don't know how loud this thing is yet. Power it on, see what happens. Yeah, it cuts. And that, we have dust everywhere, but it works. That's good. So there we have it, the DeWalt 735 planer. Quite easy to set up, very few steps. All I had to do is put on the height adjustment crank wheel, put on the in-feed, out-feed table, and adjust the height of those to make sure they are flat. Plug it in, and it's ready to go. I think this is going to be a much better tool than what I've been using previously with that Ryobi lunchbox planer that, like I said, it's had forever. And it's a planer that all the cool kids have. And I want to be part of that club. I'll leave a link down in the description below to this particular planer. It's definitely not cheap, but I think it's worth the money. It's more expensive than some of those other lunchbox style planers, but again, I think this one works better than those. And it's still not into that next tier where you get into the thousands of dollars for the much larger planers. Potentially in a future video, I'm going to probably disassemble my old planer, break it down into parts, and see how I can upcycle it into something else. One idea I actually had recently was to take the screws and crank for the height adjuster on that one. It seems like that would be some good parts to turn into a twin screw vise for a workbench. Might give that a shot. So make sure and hit that subscribe button if you want to see my future videos. I appreciate you give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, provide some feedback, that'd be awesome. And I will see you in the next video. What am I going to say next? At least for me, it seemed like the best of value. Woohoo! Somebody slamming doors.